Hey, Mr. Randall, this is Jacob Sparks out here at Moore Dodge in Silsbee, Texas. This is the 2019 Ram 1500 Classic Edition Lone Star that you were asking about. As you can see, this vehicle is still here. It only has 12 miles on the odometer and in great condition. Nothing is absolutely wrong with it. And it's still sitting here in the back. Hasn't even been put in the line yet. It's so new. As you can see, it's equipped with a remote start, LED, mirror lighting group LED, bed lighting group. Six-seating bucket seat. And as you can see with the tri-fold rear, flat platform that comes out from underneath the seat, folds right up, storage compartment underneath, that Velcro straps down. Make a flat compartment, as well as under storage bins right in the floor. I look forward to helping you on this truck here pretty soon, Mr. Randall, and get you your one more better deal.